Okay, so lesson for C. Let me tell you about the quiz. The quiz tomorrow going to be maybe have 6 questions. So one is graphing in standard form. That's a lesson for A. One graphing in standard form. I just said. What's the next one? Vertex form. That's going to be 4B, right? Lesson 4B. The next question going to be so 4C. That means 50% of the question going to be come from today's lesson. That's why I'm going to record it, and then if something you couldn't catch on the fly, then you can review it. Okay? So 4C, 4A and 4B, I give you something, the function. I ask you to graph it. Now the 4C is the other way around. I'm going to give you the graph. I'm going to ask you for the name, the function. Okay? So good? Actually, it's not that bad. It's easier than graphing. Easier than graphing. So vertex form. Can someone give me what does the vertex form look like? Sasha, let's go. Y equal to?
1. Wait.
No, just general. What does the vertex form look like?
No.
That's linear.
X plus.
Negative b.
Do you need to listen to the question? That's okay. Now, Joanna. A.
Oh, the HK.
Ayan, it is.
Hold on.
Wait,
Hey, no, be quiet, be
H
quiet.
parentheses 8x minus h to the power of 2 plus k.
That's the vertex form.
Oh man.
Okay. You should memorize it. Maybe some question I can ask you about this too. Okay. All right. Let's give Sasha 1 point. Now, how many pieces of information you need to find? You need to know the A, the H, and K. Okay. What is H and K?
The vertex.
The vertex. Can you tell the vertex by the graph? Yes, that's the easiest one, right? What is the vertex here? 1 and negative 2. Very good. 1 and negative 2. So that means H is 1 and K is negative 2. Negative 2, right? Can you plug it in here and give me the function? So A we don't know, so that's why I still write A. And then what next? X Joanna minus 1 parenthesis where?
Minus and then negative 2.
So minus 2, right? Minus 2. Very good. Let's give Joanna 1 point. You plug it in. You basically just plug it in. I cannot write it. So what's good? So we like 80% done. The last piece of puzzle is you want to find the A. How do we find the A?
The point. The point.
I'm going to give you 2 points.
The
2 point question. Okay, Sasha?
The 2 points.
Okay, what are you going to do about it?
Well, one of them is
Okay, one of them is?
negative 1.
Negative 1, 2. And what point is this?
3.
3, 2. Okay, what about it? How do you find A from here? But she's on the right track. That's another piece of information you haven't used, right? Vertex form. We're not going to deal with the standard form. How do we find the A based on the other information we have here, but we haven't used?
2.
What do you mean 2? Okay, what does it mean? Let's say negative 1 and 2. What does it mean? What is the 1? What is the negative 1? Is it the? No, HK is the vertex. X is?
Negative 1.
And and Y is the 2, right? 2 is the Y. So what next? I give you more hint. Remember, we need to find the A. And we already get to this step already. So 3 words. Huh? Alright. You have y equal to a, x minus 1, square negative 2. But you know x is negative 1, y is 2. Plug it in. So plug it in. y is 2, right? Equal to a, x is
-1.
-1. Do you know why I chose this point instead of this point?
Because it's smaller.
It's smaller number, right? So let's give Gabriel 1 point and Joanna 1 point. So plug it in, and are you able to find a after this? Yes. You don't have any other letter except a. So how do you solve this? How do you solve this? Pandas, right? Pandas. So parentheses first. -1 and -1. -1 minus 1 is -2. What next? Pandas. What next? After the parentheses, then it is exponent. -2 square is 4. So what's good? Yeah, I try to solve the a. Okay. Now what next? How do you solve the a?
You add on both sides.
You add 2 to both sides. Very good. You want to get rid of the one furthest away from a first. So 2 plus 2 is 4. A times 4 is 4a. Okay?
Go ahead.
Divided by 4. A equal to 1. Can you stop here? Give me the final answer anyway. What do they asking? They ask you to write the equation in vertex form. That means they're asking you to the whole thing here. So just don't stop right there. Write me the final answer. Y equal to 1 x. You can plug a over here. Okay? You can just plug a over here. Okay? And copy everything the same. X minus minus 1 square, and then -2. That's the complete answer. Okay? But then it's weird to keep the 1 anyway. So you can just cross out the 1. Okay? Cross out the 1. You don't need to write a 1. Invisible 1. Okay? So one other question on the test is this. Write in vertex form. Okay? Same concept, same procedure. Okay. What's the first thing you're gonna do? Find the vertex. What is the vertex here? Vertex is -2, 4. Very good. That means h is -2 and k is 4. Okay. Now can you plug it in a general form? Y equal to a x what? -2? Plus 2 or -2? Make up your mind. Who say it's going to be -2, -2? Who say it's going to be +2? Yes, you need to plus, right? You need to flip this. Yeah, you need to do opposite. So +2. Again, because of the formula is x minus h. That means you minus -2. That means you need to flip the sign of this, whatever it is. You need to flip it the sign, okay? Square and then +4 or -4? +4. Well, good. Now, how do you find a?
You look for the other.
You're gonna look for extra point. Very good. What point you see here? -3, 1, and then this one here is -1, 1. Which one is better to work with?
-1.
-1, 1 because it is smaller. Wow, I think I have a feeling you're gonna kill this quiz. Good. A lot of you got it right. So x is -1 and y is 1. Can you plug it in? Y is 1. I plug it in 1 here. Let me be consistent with the number. Color. So 1 here. X is -1. -1 plus 2 square plus 4. Alright, let me call. Okay, Jesse, help me to do calculate, find the a. Which one first? Find the a, solve for a. What are you gonna do first? Yeah, -1 plus 2. Pandas, right? -1 plus 2 is 1. And then after the pandas, parentheses, and then we go to the exponent. 1 square is? It's still 1. It's 1 square is 1 times 1. It's still 1. So, okay, I'm going very slow here. Now, what we're going to do next, Jesse? Subtract 4. Both sides. Whatever you do one side, you do the other side, right? So 1 minus 4 is? -3. A times 1 is just A. It's, you don't need to write 1, invisible 1. So A is negative 3. Alright? Then you just see 1 point. Is that your, you stop right there?
No.
You need to get the final answer. The final answer. What is the final answer? Y equal to?
-3.
-3. Parenthesis. X. Minus.
I mean plus.
Plus.
2.
I don't know. Which one? Plus or minus? Plus 2. You can just plug it right here. Plus 2 square and then?
Plus 4.
Plus 4. Oh, you got it. You all got this. Question?
Yeah, it's not that hard. I thought it was gonna be hard.
Yeah.
You said math is easy. What do you think about it?
If you think it's easy, it will be easy. If you think it's hard, it's going to be hard.
Alright.
Yeah? Okay, right. Last one for this part, okay? It's a practice. I mean, 3% boy is good. I think you're gonna get this for sure. First step, okay, I'm gonna use scorecard because I want everybody to get point, not just a few person. Tamara, what's the first step you're gonna do? Find the vertex. What is the vertex here? You can look at the paper, the same thing. Yeah. 4 0 4 0. Okay. So can you write me the function? I mean, the function yet first. Y equal to A. We don't know the A, and then X.
X plus negative
So H is 4 and K is 0. Okay. So X
X
minus minus H. That means minus 4. Okay. Square and then plus K. What is K?
plus 0.
Plus 0. You don't need to write 0, but okay, you have to write K so you know what's going on. Now, what next? How do you find A? Okay, let's give Timara 1 point. Evelyn, how do you find A? You need to get
Oh, the other point.
another extra point, right? So, what is extra point here you think is good? We have, what else? We have
2 negative 3. 1 negative 3. Wait, no.
2 negative 3?
1 negative 3. 1 negative 3.
1 negative 3. What else?
7
And
negative 3.
then
Second.
1 negative
7 negative
7 negative 3 and then, huh?
Oh,
There's
sorry.
another one?
I wrote
Is there another one?
Kinda.
Kinda?
But it'd be 0
Where?
negative 5, but it doesn't, no, that's it. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
I wrote the wrong.
Which one is good?
1 negative 3.
1 negative 3. That means X is 1, Y is negative 3.
The smaller the better.
Okay? Y is negative 3. You're gonna plug it in, okay?
Yeah.
Evelyn, you know how to plug it in?
Plug it in.
You have X and Y. Just plug it in here. Tell me what to write, okay? So, what is Y? Negative 3. Very good. Negative 3 equal to A. We don't know the A. Just keep the same. X is 1. Very good. 1 minus 4 square. Oh, plus 0. We don't need to write plus 0. Okay. Pandas. Which one go first? Parenthesis. Okay. Let's give Evelyn 1 point. And then next. Oh, not here. Brianna not here. Gabriel. Yes, so 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Negative 3 square is? Negative 9? Positive 9. Remember the negative inside parenthesis is become positive because this, that means you negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. Negative is become positive, okay? So, 9a. What next?
Divided by
Divided by?
9.
Negative 3.
9.
Yeah.
You want to get the a. You need to get rid of the 9.
Oh.
Divided by?
9.
9. Don't be confused, okay? It can be very easy to confuse. Let's give Gabriel 1 point. And then a go to?
1. No. 3 positive.
Negative 3.
I don't know.
Give me fraction, don't give me
1/3. Negative 1/3.
negative 1/3. Negative 3 over 9. Okay, if you don't know, it's negative 3 over 9. You divide both them by
3.
3. And then you become negative 1/3.
Oh.
Now, final answer. Yes, we know the final answer.
Oh, y.
Negative
Y equal, okay, gender, Y equal
Negative
negative
1 over 3.
1 over 3,
X. Oh,
parenthesis,
parentheses. X
x
plus
plus
4.
No,
Oh, the minus 4.
minus 4
And plus 0. Or, 2
square. You just need to plug in the a over here, the one we already wrote the h and k, okay? Plus 0 is nothing, you don't need to write plus 0. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's begin at 1 point. Are we good with this? You can get this? No?
Maybe.
Just go slow, we can get it. Alright, part 2 is also, oh, are we done writing though? Just write first. Part B is when, what's the difference? What's the difference? Look at the question, what is the difference? What do they ask you? Whoa, the question, not the step. In
Either
Then
form.
form.
standard form, right? The last question is asked you in Vertex form, but this one asks you in standard form. Okay, this is actually easier. You don't need to find A. Why?
Because we don't have it.
So they said specifically in either this form or this form. What is the difference between these two forms though? One is,
Positive, negative.
yeah, one is negative. What letter is this?
negative
One, negative one.
No, but negative one is what?
X.
Like what letter?
A.
A. Good. This one A equal to negative 1 and this one A equal to
One.
positive 1. When you look at the graph, can you answer which one is this? When you look at the graph, do you know what form going to be? April?
Y equals x.
So that means A equal to 1. Why? How do you know that?
Because the graph is facing down.
Exactly. Right? So let's give Gabriel 1 point. Remember when A positive is going to be the upward, downward. When it's positive, upward, downward. Huh?
Upward.
Upward. And then when A is negative, is downward. Okay, when you look at this, is it downward, upward? Upward. Don't make that mistake, okay? This is the upward. So is it 1 or negative 1? 1, right? So you know for sure A is 1 because they give you the form already. X squared plus px plus c. Now, your job is to find B and C, but don't find it, okay? That's very long way. Now, look at the step I read here. You're gonna do the same thing as the vertex form, and then we're gonna expand it, convert into the standard by using the distributive property, okay? Okay, now let's do on a vertex form like we just did before. What is the vertex? What is the vertex?
One.
The word right here is
One
1,
negative 3.
negative 3. Very good. Okay. Now can you write it? Y equal to? Oh, y equal to A. But what is A? 1. You know 1 already, right? So, see, that's faster because you don't need to find A. That means you don't need the extra point. Okay. Now, X what? Who next? Where's my card? Eurydia. X what? This is the vertex. X. Vertex. X minus H. What is H? Do we have field trip today? Why is a lot of student absence?
Yeah, so
Field trip?
Yeah.
Michelle. X what? You have a vertex. Vertex is H and K. right? The formula is x minus, okay, who can help me say? Dylan? X minus 1 and then square, what else? What next? That means? Yeah, minus 3, right? Plus negative 3, that means minus 3. Okay? I give Dylan 1 point. And then, now is the one we're gonna do. Okay? Ready? You need to pay attention here because this is how we're gonna spend it. Okay? Mong Wen? Yeah, look at this. Ready? Answer me and you're writing. This is very important. This is a vertex, but I want standard. So you need to distribute it properly. Tell me again, what does square mean? What does square mean? Right, multiplication. But what kind of multiplication? You multiply by itself, right? So x minus 1 square. Do you agree that it's going to be x minus 1 times x minus 1? Yeah, do you agree?
Yeah.
Yes, multiply by itself, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if you heard about this. Okay, let's do this.
Arguing for this.
4 letters.
A.
Oh, same thing, huh? Same thing. If you got this, everybody get point.
B.
Huh?
B.
Be that boy?
Yeah.
Alright.
C. E.
E, C. Oh, okay.
O.
Mr. Really turned fun.
O.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
How to handle this?
J.
O.
Oh.
O.
Ooh, yeah. Oh.
Look.
Huh? Look. Look, it's too old.
You.
You?
Bro, what?
Like far down.
We still got that name in phone.
Huh?
No.
What?
Ignore him.
Ignore you? Okay.
No.
Letter I, ignore. What letter? What letter?
E.
Huh?
E.
Zero.
Wait, never mind.
What? Zero.
We can save, we can continue later. Let me tell you what does it mean. This means you're gonna distribute everything here. You're gonna multiply every single thing here.
Cross. Cross mode.
Cross?
What?
Oh, wait, no.
Get out.
Alright, cut, okay. I'm gonna cut that one. Okay. You multiply every single thing here to every single thing over here. Okay? So start from 1 by 1. X times x, what is x times x?
X.
2x.
I'm gonna cut that too.
Okay,
Okay?
x squared.
What is x times x?
X.
X squared.
X squared. Not 2x. X squared. Okay? You done this, now you move on. X, what is x times negative 1?
X. 1x.
Negative 1x. Negative 1x. Okay? Alright. You're done with this term. Because you need to multiply every single thing here. So I'm gonna move to negative 1. What is negative 1 times x?
Negative X.
It's still negative 1x, right? And last one. What is negative 1 times negative 1? Positive or negative? Positive 1. Right? So what's good? You still missing the negative 3. Now can you combine that term?
Yeah.
Which one you gonna combine?
Negative 1x.
And 1 minus 3, right? So x squared. What is negative 1x minus 1x? Oh, negative and negative become positive only work for the multiplication or division.
Negative 2x.
What is negative 1 minus 1?
0.
0?
Oh, actually, I'm 1.
1? Negative 2. So I recommend use calculator, okay? Don't make a computation mistake. So negative 2, negative 2x. What is 1 minus 3? Negative 2. That's it. Is it standard form already? Let me write the answer over here. You can see it. X squared minus 2x minus 2. Is it already in standard form?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, so maybe you never heard about this then.
Yes, I forgot what it's called.
Oh, slope without the S.
Slow. So look.
No, what's this?
All right, right. You want to continue this or what?
Yeah.
What letter? Coke. Coca-Cola Coke. What letter? Ah. Okay. R. Is it R?
What letter was
Any
that?
letter count.
What letter was that?
R.
No.
R.
Huh?
We already said it.
R.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh.
You want me,
Huh?
No.
you want me to tell you what letters you guys said?
Yeah, let's see.
A, B, E, C, U, C, R.
C.
And negative U.
Negative U.
Oh, so you maybe never heard about this then.
T. T. I don't think we've heard about this one. T.
No.
One.
He's on T.
T.
S.
Copa.
Huh?
Copa
S.
America.
S.
H.
No.
The missing is toes.
L.
Copa. Okay.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
This is an L.
L. Yes. One L.
A tool.
You need another O.
Huh?
What is this? Gold?
Huh? Goal.
No. Cause
That's our goal. Find this one is our goal. Yes.
we tried A, it's not there.
Gold?
Huh?
P.
Bowl. Huh? P.
No.
S. S already.
No.
Wait, is it? No. Is it the ear?
Yeah,
Ear?
yeah, ears and then like
And his shoes.
Oh, we didn't finish it. Oh, is it going? Okay. It's foil.
What?
That's what I said when I started writing.
that?
How many of you never heard about this?
What is like the aluminum foil? Oh, like all I know is aluminum.
No. First, they stand for something. This is they stand for first.
It's an acronym.
Yeah, acronym. And then O is, outer. So I is inner.
First outer inner.
L is
Last.
last. First and last. Let's just make sure you know there are four terms. First is the first of this and the first of this. Okay, so I'll explain to you. At least you know what foil is. First is when you multiply these two. That's the first. Outer is this and this, right? Exactly what we did before. So this sum this first, and then this is the outer, this is the inner, and this is the last. I just want to make sure you know that's a four term after you distribute it, use the distributed property. Okay?
Is this like an actual term?
Yes.
It is. Yeah. So if you ask map, like higher map, there's no foil. Right? Okay. Just skip this one. Just skip number 5. Let's do the part C.
First the part is using nerve start into the air during class.
Oh, anyone? You can ask that something.
Oh man.
I thought you were copied.
This is gonna shoot me with the nerve gun.
This is so stupid. You really thought you would reach? Crazy.
All right.
What?
So Mr. Marcus, not blah blah blah. This is not important. Okay, which one is important to underline? Which one?
Why?
Y equal to this. That's important, right? So y equal to this. All right. What else? X is the horizontal distance. Oh, find the maximum height. Okay. Oh, only this is important. Okay. Only underline the important information and box the question. All right. Whenever they ask you about maximum and minimum, what are they talking about?
X and Y.
The vertex. Very good. The vertex. But your job is to define, to identify is it x vertex or y vertex.
No.
All right. Is it x vertex or y vertex? Let me ask you this. Okay. I'm gonna shoot this. Okay. All right. Here. All right. Highest point is right here, right? Maximum height. So, x vertex is here. Y vertex is this. when they ask you to find the maximum height, are you going to give them the x vertex or y vertex? Y vertex, okay? So, but is it standard form or vertex form?
Vertex one.
I mean,
Standard.
standard form.
Vertex when you see the parentheses.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one is the standard. Okay, what is the formula to find the x vertex for standard? Uh-oh.
B over 2A.
Wait,
Negative
A
B over 2A.
Negative b over 2a.
y equals negative b over
There's a lot of
2a.
like math.
Yeah. And when you answer this, you need to do like this, negative b over 2a. All right. How you plug it in? What is A? What is B? What is C? A is
The first one.
12. Negative 12.
negative 12. B is
Is 18.
C is
4.
4. Okay, now plug it in here. Joanna, you want to try?
Yeah.
So
It's
tell me what to write.
negative
Negative
18
18 over
over 2 times
2 times
negative 12.
negative 12. Very good. Again, you can use calculator. Okay, so I'm gonna do quick. So 18 divided by 2 is 9, and then they both can be divided by 3. So this divided by 3 is 3, divided by 3 is 4. So 3 over 4. How many negative sign?
2.
2. So they become
Positive.
positive. So 3 over 4. But is that what they're asking for? No, they're asking for the y vertex, okay? When you know the x vertex, how do you find the y vertex? You plug it in. Very good. Okay, bro, help me here so you can get point 2.
Who's still divided by
Y equal to
Negative 12.
negative 12 times
3 fourths.
3 4
Squared.
square plus
18.
18.
Parentheses 3 fourths.
Very good. Plus
4.
4. Okay? Sound good? Let's give Gabriel 1 point and Joanna 1 point. Yeah? Now calculate this. Can you calculate this? Just to put on calculator and see. You can give me an decimal as well. Okay? Yeah? Anyone get the number? Huh? 1 times 5? What's the number?
Are you gonna crush up to
75?
75?
175.
0.75.
Let's go 3 fourths again.
Ten 75.
Oh, I got it. It's negative. Yeah.
Repeat, okay?
You see this too.
Okay?
No, you can.
Agwin? Josh? Yeah. Okay, and then next question. This one, okay? You may see something like this on the test, quiz. So this is the last one. So pay attention here, bear with me. Okay, this is the last one. All right, who can read this for me and also help me to underline it? Dennis, let's go. Read it and tell me what you underline. Yeah. Start his own business. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, thank you, Dennis. Which one do you think you should underline? Which one is important?
Revenue. R.
Revenue R equal to this whole thing here. Okay. What else? P is the, yeah, this is important as well. P is the price. Find the revenue. That's what they're asking. Okay. When the price. Oh, this one also important. So now let me ask you. Find the revenue. Revenue. What is the letter they're looking for? Are they looking for the letter R or looking for the letter D? The P.
R.
R. So they're asking for the R. They're asking for the R when price is $20. What is the letters represent the price? P. So basically they're asking what is the R when P equals 20. What are you gonna do? Yeah, just plug it in to input the P, right? P is 20 to plug it in. So basically R, we go to negative 25 with 2. P is 20, so 20 squared plus 600 times 20. So I'm gonna make 20 here. So basically you need to plug it in, okay? Because they're asking for the revenue, they're asking for about the R when P is 20. Sound good? So calculate this. So 20 squared is 400. This 6 times 2 is 12, and then 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. Do you know how to multiply this when you see a lot of 0? Just take care of a number. What is 6 times 2? 6 times 2 is 12. And then how many zeros you see? 1, 2, 3. Add 3 zeros. Okay, that's how you can do it. And then 400 divided by 2 is 200. So 25, negative 25 times 200. What is negative 25 times 200? 25 times 2, same thing. 25 times 2 is 50, right? How many zero? 2. You have 2, so add 2. Negative. So now negative 5 plus 12 is 7, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 3, 0. 7,000. That's the revenue when the price per game is $20. Okay?
Why is it
Yeah? Last one. Find the price. What letter they asking for? The R or the P?
The P.
The P. Very good. So P is what? Where? So that it can maximize the revenue. Again, when they ask about the maximize, minimize, maximum, minimum, what do they talk about? Maximize, minimize, maximum, minimum. What are they talking about? The vertex. Okay. You need to identify is it X vertex or Y vertex. P is it P X vertex or Y vertex? I don't know. Who say X?
I said X.
Alright, who say Y? Alright, Equine and gender is correct. Let's give Equine and gender 1 point. Yes. X vertex. Y. P is here. Do you think this is actually the X? P is actually the X. And then R is actually the Y. I just use different letter. You see? Y equal to negative 25 over 2 X squared plus 600X. Same thing. Okay? How do you find X vertex then? Formula? Right? Standard, right? So negative B over 2A. What is B here? So negative 600 over 2 times A. What is A? Negative 25 over 2, right? Oh, 2 and 2 you can cancel out. 2 and 2 here. So what is 600 divided by 25? 24. How many negative side? 2. So it become positive. So that means when you set the price to be $24, that's going to be maximize the revenue. Okay? So be aware something like this can happen on the quiz. Either this or the other one. Okay?